In previous lecture, number of examples, 5 examples already solved. Again, today start example number 6. Using that, construct the truth tables of given statement pattern. Number of statement patterns here. Take one by one. Question number 6. Start that solution of this particular statement pattern. How many statements are there? Again, preparation of truth table. Number of rows and number of columns. In previous lecture already discussed. Here, number of statements P and Q. 2 statements are there. Statements 2. Number of connectivities like this. Negation of P implies first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Means 5 plus 2, that is 7. Number of rows 2 raised to 2, that is 4. 4 rows, 7 columns. Keep it in your mind. Whenever you can solve a statement pattern or construct the truth table for the given statement pattern in examination, ask such type of questions for 3 marks and 4 marks. At that time, you remember number of columns and number of rows, because easily you can calculate that particular cases. Right. First P, second Q. After that, negation of P, first part. Then negation of Q. See here again. First bracket, negation of P implies negation of Q. Again, negation of Q implies negation of P here. Last column is that complete statement pattern. In last column, you can write complete statement pattern. What is negation of P implies negation of Q, and negation of Q implies negation of P. Complete statement pattern right here. See, how many columns? 7 columns. After that, number of cases? 4 cases are there. 2 times true, 2 times false. Again, 1 time true, 1 time false. Negation of P, whenever true, here negation, that is false. Negation of Q, same thing is there. When it is true, then it is false. Here, negation of P, conditional. Negation of Q means implies negation of P implies negation of Q. Here, rule of if then. Then conditional. What is the rule of conditional? Both statements in that first statement is true and second statement is false, then it is false. And other statements are true. Next, negation of Q implies negation of P. See here, change the column. Negation of Q implies negation of P. This one, negation of Q implies negation of P. Then what is that? Here, again, negation of Q here, false. Negation of P, again false. Then what is implication? It is true. Then negation of Q true and negation of P is false, then it is false. Again, negation of Q false, negation of P, that is true, then it is true. Then negation of Q, both statements are true, that is true. Ready? Then last column. What is the last column? The given statement pattern connect with, what is the connectivities? The connective is and. Then you prepare. What is the rule of and? When both statements are true, then it is true, and remaining are false. Here, first statement is true, then it is true. Second statement, one true, second false, that is false. Again, first false, second true, then it is false. Both statements are true, then it is true. This is the truth table for the given statement pattern. In examination asked for 3 marks, then you prepare like this. Got it? Then take next example, that is example number 7. In this particular exercise 1.2, question number 1. Question number 1 or question number 2 have been 10 questions. At least solve number of 8 questions. Then remaining question you can try. Take one more example, that is 7. See here. Again, how many cases and how many rows column? Just prepare. देखो, जब भी एक ट्रूथ टेबल आप कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे, आपको यही करना पड़ता है, नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स एंड नंबर ऑफ रोज फाइंड आउट करना जरूरी है. हियर P and Q, 2 statements are there. Then connectivities first, second, third, fourth. How many columns and how many rows? How many columns, how many rows? 4. 2 cases plus 4 connective, that is 6 columns, and 2 raised to 2, that is 4 rows. Here P, then Q, after that Q implies P, then or take negation of P. Negation of P, you can interchange this also. Then after that, negation of P by conditional Q. Then complete statement, Q implies P, or negation of P by conditional Q. Then see here, PQ. How many times? 2 times true, 2 times false. 1 time true, 1 time false. Again, Q implies P. Q, this one column, conditional with first column. After that, true. Again, false, true. It is true. True, false. It is false. If first statement is true and second statement is false, then it is false. This is the if then. After that, all statements are true. The negation of P. Negation of P is what? Here. First statement, both statements are true first, then both are false. Again true, true. Next, negation of P by conditional, double implies Q. In that, negation of P column. By conditional with column number, that is Q statement. Then prepare. What is the rule of this by conditional? If either both statements are true or both statements are false, then it is true and remaining are false. Here, negation of P by conditional Q. First statement is false, second statement is true, then it is false. first statement false, second statement also false, then it is true. Both statements are true, then it is true. And first statement is false, true, and second statement is false, then it is false. Ready? See, prepare last column. Q implies P, or here is connectives, or P implies Q, or negation of P by conditional negation of Q. Here is the column, this one and this one. Using the connectives or. What is the rule of or? Both statements are false, then it is false, and the meaning are true. Here. Then prepare. Here, first statement. Negation, Q implies P. Here, true. Negation of P by conditional Q, that is false. Then what is the rule? Rule of or. एक भी स्टेटमेंट अगर ट्रू होता है तो ट्रू होता है और रिमेनिंग फॉल्स होता है. दिस वन. एक भी टी है तो टी, दैट इज ट्रू. Here again both two columns check out. First statement is false, second statement true, then it is also true. First statement is true and second statement is false, also true. Here next one example. What is that? P implies Q implies R by conditional P and Q implies R. How many statements are there here? Write the solution for that. Statements are 3, means 2 raised to 3. How many cases? 8. Then connectives, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Means 3 statements plus 5 connectives, that is 8. Means number of rows 8, number of column 8. And try the truth table for that particular statement. Then here, right? First statement P, second statement Q, third statement R. Next, first bracket. Here, Q implies R. After that, whole statement P implies Q implies R. After that, second bracket P and Q. Next one, P and Q by conditional R, means implication of R. And last column is what? Complete statement. What is complete statement here? That P implies Q implies R by conditional P and Q implies R. This is whole statement, means last column is there. Then prepare. How many cases can be created here? Check out first. 8 columns are there. First 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Yeah. Number of cases 8. 4 times 2. 4 times false. अभी इसके आधा करो. 4 times 2 है तो 2 times 2 करो. आपको दिमाग में रखना ही है। आर थर्ड स्टेटमेंट 2 टाइम ट्रू है, अभी 1 टाइम ट्रू 1 टाइम फॉल्स। ट्रू फॉल्स ट्रू फॉल्स। अभी यहां पे स्टार्ट होता है अपना स्टेटमेंट पैटर्न। Q implies R. What is the rule of this? Remember that rule and these two columns. First statement true, second statement true, that is true. First statement is false and second statement is first statement is true and second statement is false, then it is false. Again here, first false, second true, then it is true. Both statements are false, it is also true. Both statements are true, it is also true. First statement true, second statement false, then it is false, and remaining are true. Then P implies Q implies R, the first part. Here P is given and just create Q implies R. Then what is the connectives? Again conditional. This one. P, that is true, and second statement is also true, then it is true. First statement true, second statement false, then it is false. First statement true, second statement it is also true. This one also true. This is also true. Both statements are false also true. Here, first statement false, second statement true, then it is true. Both statements, first statement false, second statement true, then it is true. Ready? The next, and P and Q. Here, P and Q. बहुत सिंपल है, P and Q and का रूल क्या है? दोनों स्टेटमेंट अगर ट्रू है तो ट्रू, रिमेनिंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर फॉल्स. Both is both true, then it is P and Q. अभी देखो यहाँ पे false, again false. दोनों स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होना चाहिए. Both statements are true and remaining statements are false. Next is P and Q implies R. This one column, P and Q. Conditional check with column number, statement number R here. Then both statements are true, then it is true. First statement false, second statement true. See, what is that? P and Q implies R. P and Q is first statement true, second statement false, then it is false. Again, first statement true, second statement false, true. Both statement false, also true. First statement here false and second statement true, then it is true. Both statement false, also true. Again, first statement false, second statement true, then it is true. And both statements are false, also true. Then after that, last column is there. What is that? This P implies Q implies R biconditional or double implies this particular statement pattern. Here, this one column and this one. Check out the conditional, biconditional. What is the rule of biconditional? अगर दोनों स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है तो ट्रू रहेगा और दोनों स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है तो फॉल्स रहेगा और रिमेनिंग केसेस में दोनों फॉल्स है तो भी ट्रू रहेगा और रिमेनिंग केसेस में एक भी स्टेटमेंट अगर ट्रू है तो वो फॉल्स रहेगा. चेक आउट द कंडीशन. हियर टू कॉलम्स. बोथ स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू, देन इट इज ट्रू. Here both statements are false, also true. Here, both statements are true, then it is true. Both statements are true, then it is true. Here also true. Both statements are true, then it is true. Here, both statements are true, then it is also true, and this one true. In last column, all cases that may be true. See here, all cases in the last column is true. Getting? In this way, example exercise 1.2, question number 1 is complete. Then start next question number 2.